Hey guys, for this video, I'll teach you how to view protected or privated tweets. With this tutorial, we will see if we can actually view private tweets. So, let's get started by opening Twitter. And if you actually tap on new tweets, you're gonna be able to find the most recent tweets. So, how do you actually view protected or privated tweets? I'm sorry to be the bearer of bad news, but you actually can't. Twitter is just too secure for someone to hack into privated tweets and look for it. I'm sorry that you couldn't find any help in this video, but please consider liking, subscribing, and hitting the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below.